fundamental foundations of public policy. It is obvious that Biden is not completely innocent, but it's because I hope the Republicans, you have your day, you got a chance to run with one more lap on this thing and undermining public confidence in our federal prosecution.
In terms of this health insurance or homeless condition, Warren, where does this extra $3,300?
That's what they're going to treat.
How about a plan with dental, vision, and care investments? Dollar monthly plan premium sound.
Take part in this 30-day risk-free challenge. Evaluate
Amazon Kitchen must-haves. This KitchenAid rice and grain cooker really comes in clutch. When I tell you, it makes the perfect rice every time. I've had it for months now and I'm never using the stove again. It has a screen where you can choose what you're cooking, whether it's grains or different types of rice. You can even choose how you want your rice cooked. I like mine soft. And before you ask, yes, you can wash your rice first if you like. It weighs the rice as well and tells you if it's too much and can boil over. Honestly, it's a 10/10.